Okay, one last thing I want to talk about is the sclera, the whites of your eye. Okay, so on this back half, you could see it around the outside. So behind the retina, behind the choroid, behind this tapetum lucidum, okay, you're going to find the sclera, okay, or the whites of your eye right around this edge. Okay, looking at the top half of the eye, we're going to see the same thing right around the edges. The sclera, the whites of the eye. Okay, so there you have it. Now you are ready to clean up. So I would personally toss the wooden probe, the tongs, the forceps, the scissors. Those can get wiped off, right? All of the other parts, you should put them in your bag for disposal and then throw them out. So including the bag that your eye came from. So put everything in that disposable bag.